Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video guys, I'm going to install the shower of Papa. Yeah, because he gets so hard to what do you call this one guys? He hard to what do you call this one? Take a shower to use tabu. Yeah, because his arm is injured, and and I have a little bit money, so I brought him a shower, and then I will install it there. And of course I brought this one. Yeah, shout out to Shark Company. Yeah, Shark Company, and it's a plastic one. Yeah, it's a plastic one. So yeah, I will install this first. So let's go guys. And I need to change this one guys. And yeah, I have Teflon. I am a plum girl right now guys. Plum girl. Yesterday I am electrician. Now plum girl. And I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel guys. If you wasn't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel guys. It's a big help for me. Thank you so much guys. And yeah, don't forget to hit that like button over there. Please do. And I'm putting Teflon right now guys. And by the way guys, there's no electricity at the moment. And yeah, I can't try this one, and I will try it later on if the electricity come back. And yeah, my neighbor and the mom of Carlo, and the owner of this property, they are so happy for what I did yesterday, that I put street light over there. Yeah, because they say that I'm not greedy to my solar. Yeah, I share the light to the road, and yeah, and I asked them if I can add light in between of the two posts, and they say that yeah, I can add. So I brought other what do you call this one, other light. Yeah, as what I say guys, they are so happy. Yeah, they are so happy that I shared my solar light, because I told the yeah, I told to myself that I'm the only one here in the side that have solar, and I have light, and they don't have light. Especially my neighbor, yeah, the big house over there. They don't have solar yet. And I don't know why they don't get it. Maybe they don't maybe they don't like it. Sharing is caring guys. And to my friends that who are always sharing their blessing to me, thank you so much guys. Yeah, thank you so much, and more power to your yeah, more power, and God bless more to you. God bless your heart guys. And yeah, especially the person that who are helping my dad. I really appreciate you guys. I can't forget the time that yeah, you're helping me in time that I really need help. Mucha ka? Nga naman. Kaya ako binig-shower ya papa. My mom is here guys, yeah. Asking me if what I'm doing. And I told her I installed this one. And this one guys have what they call this one, gasket. And now guys, I'm going to use this one board to install there because you know, it's not concrete, so I need to do it. I make a hole first guys because this is a hardwood and yeah, I need to put a screw there. So I make a hole first. So that's it guys. This is my finished product and yeah, I'm so happy that my dad is have a shower here outside and Yeah. So this is it, guys, and I hope you like it. And thank you so much, guys. Yeah, I will share a lot of more video as soon as possible if I yeah, because there's a lot of people that always asking me, "Oh, wow, why are you so busy? You are online, but you are not," something like that. Yeah, I have my personal life, guys. That yeah, that I need to do something for my family, for myself, and I'm so sorry about my background, guys. Yeah, this is my life in here in the province, guys. Yeah, this is my life in the province, and the time that I'm not the time that I don't have house yet, I'm taking shower here. Yeah, do laundry, and I have yeah, this washing machine, guys, is broken already. So yeah, so we do hand wash. Yeah, that's why I have short nail before. It's been a while that I have a long nail. Before I have long nail because I can do washing. But now hand wash only. So short nail, and it's not easy to work to, guys, if you have a long nails. Yeah, So that is the sign to, guys, that yeah, if the girl is have a lot of work in their house or not, you know, if they have a long nail or short nail. The most important, your nail is clean. Being a Filipino, we are taking care of our nails because if you are going outside, that is the first thing that people will going to look at you, your nail, because you can figure out yeah, how clean, yeah, if you are clean to yourself or you are neat, something like that, yeah. So that's it, guys. I would like to say thank you so much for the love and support to my channel, guys, and I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And shout out to my all yeah, best friend there, and to my yeah, my kind friend, my generous friend that are always sharing their blessing to me. It's a very very big help, and don't feel sorry, guys, if you send a little bit only for you, because for me it's a very very big help. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, and I love you all. The electricity just came back, and I would like to try now to on the shower. First, I'm going to on the faucet. Oh, okay. And there is no leaking. And the shower is there. Oh, wow. Success. And there's no leaking, guys. There's no leaking. So, yeah, and Papa will going to enjoy this soon and everything. Kids, my whole family. Thank you so much, guys, and more power. God bless. See you next time, guys. Bye.